Good morning, my crafty friends. I just wanted to come and share something with you today. I don't usually do vintage. I usually do shabby chic, and this is my first attempt at vintage. I hope I've achieved that. I was a little inspired by Mandie at Mandie's Place. She is doing a Build Your Stash collaboration that um, they're building up their stash of embellishments. And while I'm not doing 10 and 20 sets of each one, I am sending out some happy mail. And I did watch all the videos of all the ladies and got a few ideas from some of them. And hopefully I hit the vintage mark on these. These are some paperclip embellishments that I've made. I'm going to take them out of the package so you can see them a little bit better. And there we go. I used the Butterfly Garden Collection paper pad for the paper, and some Tim Holtz elements and some other things that I had in my stash. Of course, the little girl and the dream is Tim Holtz, and I just put a little it's like a little dolly, but it's an applique that come off some lace, and some flowers that I had in my stash. The little metal bird, I have a whole drawer of metal and I don't know where all of it came from, but I just used different laces and stuff. This was out of a scrapbook that I had. It had a whole sheet of like stamps, and it says joy on it. I don't know if you can see it, maybe a little bit. But anyway, there's those. And I also my friend that I'm sending these to likes vintage more than shabby, I do believe, so I made these for her. And like I said, I've never done vintage before, so hopefully this somehow or another hits it a little bit. Y'all tell me what you think in the comments. Did I get the vintage vibe going? These are some little envelopes that I made. And this one. And that one. Sorry about my lighting. I'm still having a hard time with that. Y'all bear with me. I'm still trying to figure things out. I'll get it right eventually, I'm sure. I also made some rosettes. I've got everything packaged to go out to her today. But I was pretty proud of how they come out. These are some rosettes that I made. I put a little black dolly in behind each rosette. And then some of that little tassel trim. And there's a filigree. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but I have just a little tiny bit of eyelash trim coming out around it, just for a little bit of pizzazz, I reckon. There, you can see it now. Ha. I'm figuring it out. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you today, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button. And thank you to Mandie and all the ladies over at Mandie's Place for all the inspiration that they are giving. You should really check them out. I'll put a link to her channel, her D-Stash or Build Your Stash collaboration video. I'll put it down below, and y'all can check out all the different ladies in that collaboration, because they are making some really amazing things. They look really pretty. But anyway, thanks again, ladies, and everybody have a crafty day, and don't forget to share and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.